I was working as an intelligence analyst, I really enjoyed my job and I found it to be incredibly fascinating. But when I got a taste of using research and using that to really help protect the nation, I found that it was much more exciting and satisfying. Once I heard that we had this research facility, I knew I had to figure out how to work there. And so I was able to work here for 1 year as an intern through the development program, and then I transitioned onto a full research scientist. I got even more excited to come to work each day because I didn't know what I was going to learn. I've always been interested in how to tie together kind of physics research and international security, and what better place to do that than at the NSA. Coming to the lab with an intelligence analyst perspective, I feel like I bring a unique take as to how what we do comes back to mission. So my research focuses on the advancement of novel materials for high-performance computing. What we're looking to do is create a totally new type of device for a new type of architecture, and for those new devices you need new materials. So everything that we do right now is based on devices with silicon. What we're doing in the lab is looking at new materials that will make computers faster and more efficient. These are essentially layers of single atomic thickness materials that we sandwich together in as many layers as we want to create the unique combination of properties that we want in our larger material. So with these new materials that we create, we can make faster and more efficient computers. Working at a lab with all of these physicists who are at the tops of their field can be a little bit intimidating. So having all of these mentors work around me has just been the most wonderful thing. As someone relatively new to being a scientist, working here at the lab is the best place to learn. Every single person who works here is more than happy to explain their area of expertise, and every question that I have, I can get a variety of different answers and perspectives on how to approach a different problem. Everything we do at the lab is based on the sharing of information, and whether it's between academia or industry or other government labs, and that's really something you don't see anywhere else. When I was an undergrad, I started as an international studies major, but I was always fascinated by the field of physics and science. But initially I didn't think I was smart enough to do it, and it actually took until my junior year of college before I had the confidence to switch over and change majors. And so what I would recommend to anyone looking into this field is, if you put your mind to it and if you can work hard enough, you can make a job of anything that you're excited about. My name is Jennifer Demell, and I'm a research scientist at the NSA.